Hi guys, we are back with another video. Today we will discuss indication and dose of paroxetine, which belong to a class of selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors. Indication and dose are according to the BNF. BNF is a reference book for dose adjustment. Available dosage form are tablets, which are available in 10 mg, 20 mg, 30 mg and 40 mg, and all oral solutions are also available in the market. Paroxetine is used for major depressions and its dose is 20 mg once daily in adult, and it should be taken in the morning, and for elderly patient it should be 20 mg daily in the morning. Paroxetine is also used for panic disorder, and its dose in adult, initially we will give 10 mg daily, and dose should be taken in the morning, and for elderly patient it should be 10 mg daily. Paroxetine is also used for obsessive compulsive disorder, and for this dose should be by using tablet in adult. Initially dose is 20 mg daily, and remember dose should be taken in the morning at increase in the step of 10 mg, increase gradually, and maximum dose is 40 mg per daily. And for elderly patient, dose should be 20 mg daily, and dose should be taken in the morning, increase in the step of 10 mg, dose to be increased gradually 40 mg per day. Paroxetine is also used for menopausal system, and for this indication dose should be 20 mg per daily in adult.